The darkest midnight in December, no snow nor hail nor winter storm.
When you hear them first, you wouldn't like them. I don't think that's my opinion of it, like, because they're sang to the old airs. And we recorded them years ago. I remember I had long started singing White's Hotel for Radio the Gaeltacht, and the man that recorded them over there said they sounded very well like the old air of the West of Ireland years ago. And at the present time now, we've a man coming down from Mayo. I've been over the last 3 or 4 years to hear 2 carols, and there's actually tears in his eyes when he hears the carols.
This night was born with shepherd's wing, are come to.
Going back on the first of the carols there was with a Hayola in it, but Jack Derricks now. Jack was master on the Yola thing, and there's not much in these carols now about the Yola, because when you hear them, all the difference. The card has been going in the parish for over 300 years, and this Kilmore parish was the only parish that kept going. It was in about 5 or 6 parishes there over the years, but just the only place that kept going.